Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is January 13, 2015, and today is Tuesday. Looking at the economic calendar, just one major number coming out, the GBP CPI number coming out at 11:30 South African time. It is a major number. Firstly, it's a yearly number. It's an inflationary number, so it should have some significant effect on the GBP. But we're going to go off the regular routine today, and we're going to bring up oil first. Oil is hitting all-time lows, new lows yesterday at $44 a barrel, under $45 a barrel. This is a major sell-off for oil. It's so big because, firstly, oil companies, oil producing companies, are actually retracing from future bids to build oil rigs, and as a result, it's really hitting the market very hard. And really, the consensus on the street is that it's not going to come and bounce back so quickly. So with that said, with the production of oil, not retracing and the prices sinking and tanking to these levels, it should be interesting to see when there will be a rebound for the price of oil. So I would continue having this on my radar, waiting for maybe some entry points. But so far, as you can see, it's been a big sell-off. Looking at the GBP USD, we're on our lows, as you can see here, daily lows. Maybe this could be turnaround for the GBP, and we're hitting a threshold. So, I would really keep this on the radar to see if it's going to actually pop here. My sentiment is that it may very well pop here. So you got to keep that on your radar. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen, also retracing to almost a previous resistance, anticipated support here, and maybe it'll bounce off at this. So I would keep these two really on the radar today. Looking at the Dow Jones, really just flatlining the past couple of days. We did have a little bit of a sell-off yesterday, about 90 points on the downside, but as you can see, I think we're leveling off until we see that there's some impetus to take it higher or some impetus to take it lower. So, we're in the mid-range right now, so I would just sit tight until there's a clear definition. Looking at the price of gold, gold really popping up here, as you can see, above this level of 1230, and we're going to be anticipating to go to 1250. That's where I have our target, and that's where I think we're going to go up to before we challenge it. There's a previous resistance right here at about 42, 43. So, I would previous support. So I would say between 44 and 45, I would say it's a little bit of a resistance area. So at these levels, I'd really see if we can pop up above it, and maybe we could hit to 1270, 1280 area. And that's on the upside. On the downside, if we don't have this continuous buying, we may retrace back to 1180 again. So I would also keep gold on the agenda today and keep an eye out. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.